Hermowski with High Tech Signs. I wanted to show you how easy it is to put on our new street graphic material based out of aluminum. For putting it down, basically you need a dry and clean surface. Cleaning really only takes a broom in most cases. The only exception would be if you have any residue from oils or fuels. You'll want to use a power wash or a degreaser for removing that. But this is not a concern or problem today. So all I'm going to do is sweep this off. The beauty of this product is you don't need to be an expert, a sign specialist, or bring in any trained staff. My team usually doesn't let me apply graphics, so I work as the amateur on staff when it comes to installations. So basically you pull off the liner. If you're using a small one, if you're doing a small graphic, I'd recommend taking the whole liner off. In this case we're doing something that's about 5 feet long. I'm just going to start the first few feet and then we'll peel back the rest. It does help to have a friend or two. Putting this down just to line things up and keep it where you want it to be. So we're there. I'm just going to hand press this. Put that down. Just keep going. And really, it's as easy as that. Go ahead and pull all the way. Again, the product's made of aluminum. It's going to contour really well. Then you just come back with the roller, and the main job of the roller is to get your edges sealed. You don't want to get water underneath it because that can cause some long-term issues, especially if you're going to have it down for a while. If you look closely, you can see that the material is really starting to grip. You may want to go over areas a couple times. And that's really all there is to it. It's that easy. Just make sure you press your edges really well, and you should be good to go. Thank you.